5 years since he's working as an analog design engineer, and he has worked on UMC 18028, Intel 7 nanometer, 10 and 22 nanometer. Founder notes and tapped out 9 full custom IPs in the committed schedule. He worked on analog circuits such as data converters, 10-second power management IPs like VGR and power gates, basic blocks like op-amps and comparators. He worked with cross-functional teams like layout, RTL, DB, ST, and PD with a total team size of around 50 engineers. I would like to request Dr. Praveen Sode sir to welcome our expert Gaurav Advani. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to introduce our next expert, Saket. He has 5 years of experience in low power formal equivalence verification using conformal and formality TFL. Skills acquired are LEC, verification, debugging, scripting, automation, Linux, ECL, Perl, and Python. He worked as a product development engineer and Electus Technologies mainly worked on the development of industrial projects and instruments along with providing training to the engineers, undergraduates on embedded systems and electronics. I would like to request Dr. I would like to request our HOD ma'am to please welcome our sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. So the stage is over to you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
The world is going in a dramatic phase. Every day you will find a new news is coming, and especially in this decade, particularly 2019 onwards, and you will see that completely up to 2030. It started around 2019, where when completely the things have changed actually after post-pandemic or pre-pandemic sessions like. So there we witnessed what the new changes happening in the society. Well, everybody was threatened about our diseases, and later because of that pandemic, you notice that the day by day the new challenges were coming and we overcome also. And from that time, you realize that the completely we are not self-sufficient. And then after in 2020, the government means what Modi ji coined the new term Atmanirbhar, and that Atmanirbhar means what self-reliant. And that time we realized that we are not Atmanirbhar because at that time you notice that we were shortfall of vaccines. We developed a vaccine. Then after later also you witnessed many changes in society, in intercontinent also like we were also part of a war with Pakistan, and then again Ukraine war, and again nowadays we are also facing the same challenge. We are not Atmanirbhar in real terms. Today also facing the same challenge about LPG gas cylinders. So the Atmanirbhar is a particularly required because in morning session also, Thakre sir gave us the statistic of what is the statistic of a VLSI. You will find that we are a deficit of 95%. We are exporting only the 5% of the semiconductor products, and we are importing 95%. So in that regard, the government has already started the mission. That mission is what India Semiconductor Mission. Pulitala sir also addressed that Semiconductor Mission 1.0, 2.0 and 3.0. that semiconductor mission is basically used not for design. Basically, those semiconductor missions are basically to prepare the workforce for fabrication technology. And we are doing the many work in that. The government has also started the VLSA programs. Earlier, those programs were only UG programs. Now we have started. The government has started UG program, and in our college also we have a UG program in VLSA.